And they're angels today. The July Universal Yum box arrived. I get the Super Yum box. I'll put a link below to Universal Yum. If you use that link, you will get a discount on your first purchase. This comes from the Land of Smiles. And that is Thailand. Thailand. Let me bring this all together for a thumbnail opportunity. Oops, let's see here. Yeah, there we go. I'm making faces. I know you can't see it, but I am. Alright. They have their little board here that has some scoreboards on the back, some ratings of various things, and you get to vote also on where you want the next box to come from. So a few activities they have here on the back panel. I actually love the little tiger artwork they've got there, super cute. The little book that talks about everything that is in this month's box, so I'm going to have to probably rely on this. Also, they have the trivia, which Jay and I will be doing. So, let's see what we got going on here. Okay. Looks like most of the stuff, not most, some of the stuff looks like has some English on it. So this one here is a chicken larb flavor. It feels like it's a chip. Okay, so it's chicken and seaweed. Chicken and seaweed flavor. I don't think we're off to a good start. This will be a fun one though to let Jay try and not tell him what it is before he tries it. Fun times, oh yes. Next up we have a biscuit assorted with pineapple jam. Okay, it's a pineapple cookie with pineapple jam filling. Jay loves pineapple, so he actually will probably really like this. And yeah, it feels like it's a really firm cookie, so I wouldn't be able to try that at this time. Next up, it looks like we have some okra chips, Japanese sesame sauce, soy sauce flavor. Okra chips. Interesting. I love okra. I love okra. Never heard of anyone trying to utilize okra in this way. So, very, very interesting. Okay, this one is Devil. It looks like it's some type of a, yes, it's going to be a hot spicy pepper chip. Spicy, spicy. I personally don't like spicy, things that are hot. But Jay is starting to become more accustomed to spicy and hot things. Next up we have a wafer filled with a shabuya honey toasted flavored cream. Oh, okay. Feels like a typical wafer situation going on inside. Next up is coconut chips. These are sea salt and caramel. I normally am a huge fan of coconut chips, but again, due to dental issues, I can't. Excuse me. Okay, this is a excuse me, mixed chip bag. It's got taro sticks, purple and orange sweet potato chips. Interesting. They like their crunchy snacks. I'm not thinking that I've found anything so far that I can actually physically try at this point. But that's okay. Jay likes snacks, so this will work out. A salt and lemon chip. This is salt and sour. So salty and sour. So lemon and salt. A lot of air in this bag. It feels like maybe 4 chips. Like a lot of air in this bag. Very little product. Okay, and this one is salt and garlic. Oh my gosh. These look like they're more like a cracker. Yeah, these are salt and garlic. Very interesting. Okay, next up is a Thai coconut roll with natural banana made from real coconut milk. Interesting. Right here. These remind me of a wafer cookie, but they're in a rolled form, but it's very similar to a wafer cookie flavor-wise. That has been my experience with those shaped cookies in the past. Okay, next up is a sticky rice with coconut cream and mango. I don't know how I feel about this. It's definitely soft enough that I'll be able to try it, and that scares me because I'm not a huge fan of sticky rice, and the thought of it combined with mango, I don't know. Like, it intimidates me. This definitely intimidates me. Let me know if you are a fan of sticky rice in the comment section below. Okay, now this one is a crab curry chip. Not a fan of curries, so I wouldn't like that. I'm almost positive. Next up we have this is a coconut roll roasted sweet corn, which I've seen other countries use corn as a desserty, snacky type of thing, so not really shocked to see that they've incorporated corn as part of their flavor profile for their snacks. Next up is a Z roll form. Lucy, hush. Fried shrimp with salad cream flavor. Fried shrimp with salad cream flavor. Salad cream flavor? What is salad cream? Are they saying ranch? Is that what they're trying to indicate, ranch? This is scary. And it feels like it's kind of like a puffed snack, so probably one that I would be able to try, but I don't know, I'm scared of it. Next up is a gummy lime salt. So these are lime and salt flavored gummies. Very interesting. I'm not quite sure how that would be. They're soft, so I should be able to try them. But salt and lime, like, I guess it's gonna kind of have like a margarita feel to it. This is a sour punk candy stick. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of like candy ropes with that like coating, that powdery candy, soury coating on them. Yeah. Very, very sour, I'm sure. And the Yum bag, which has all the little, like, small little treats and candies. Let's look at the information box so I can tell you more about what they have going on in here. Okay, it looks like this is a corn flavored candy. A sweet corn flavored chewable candy. Interesting, interesting. Very interesting. Okay, and then they have these little things, and these are what are these? Let's see, what are these? So that's the corn candy. These little guys. Okay, this is an orchard banana chew. It's a steamed banana chew. So I guess these are all chews. Okay, this one would probably be a lemon chew because of the photo. And then I'm guessing this is going to Sour Bomb. Oh, here we go. Sour Bomb candy. There's a whole bunch of these. Yeah, it's a sour cola candy. Huh. So yeah. Let me know if any of these treats look like things that you would enjoy. Like I said, a lot of these, the flavors are ones that I don't know if I would be so much into. But it'll be fun to watch Jay try some of these crunchier things that I can't try. Thank goodness, sometimes it's a blessing not to have teeth, right? Well, maybe not. But in this case, possibly. So yeah, pretty interesting variety of snacks. Let me know if you're familiar with any of these products. Or if any of these really caught your eye, that they would be something that you would enjoy yourself. Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you're doing really, really well today. I am doing pretty good today. I, this morning, became a great aunt. My niece had her baby, and she had a baby boy, and I'm a great aunt. So yay for being a great aunt. So yeah, that's kind of cool. But I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and thumbs it up. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and bell for notifications, and share this video. It helps my channel grow. Please share this video and have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.